so I got this package in the mail today. Haven't bought anything in a while. Thought I would just go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. I know there's trains in here. Let's see, need a knife. So, let's see what we got here. So the challenge is always holding the phone and opening the package. So let's see. Alright. So I'll tell you a little bit about this purchase. On July 4th I was going to do a train video, and for July 4th, like Patriotic, all that stuff. And what I found is, other than my Amtrack stuff, really I didn't have anything. It even had an American flag on it, which is a little distressing, I think. We are in America, and they are American products, right? But believe it or not a single American flag or tattoo or anything at all. So that is all that's in that box. That's all that was expected to be in that box. To be honest, Abby's gonna help. So, all right, y'all ready for this? So, this is a locomotive and a dummy. So, and of course, this is really well packed. So, give me just a second to try to do this. And the tongue just right. Well, that didn't work. So, let's see. I should sit you guys down for a minute if I can. Nope. Not so heavy enough. That one's heavy enough. Alright, here we go. So, I'm going to be careful. I'm pretty excited. So, alright. This is a, let me get the camera back in my hand. This is an AHM train, and as you can see, it has a nod to 1776, and it's red, white, and blue. Definitely patriotic, definitely pretty nice. This one appears to be the powered unit, so that means this other one must be the dummy, I guess. Yeah, it's much lighter. Let's see. Now that I don't have a heavy box, I guess I could put this one back in the box. I could pop you guys up. So maybe. Oops. Somehow turned off the camera. So I'm still trying to figure out how we can do this. I think I figured it out. So here we have the dummy, I believe. Non-functioning unit. I just want to be careful in my excitement. Can't reach anything. Alright, so this one appears to have a weight loose inside of it or something. Nothing terrible. So, alright, so once again, Abby's helping. So, guessing it would go something like this. It's pretty nice. It's alright. I think we ought to put it on the track. What do you guys think? Let's do it. Alright, so here we are in the Insanity, also known as my train room. Formerly known as my dining room. So, anyway. Alright, so I think we're gonna probably put it on this first track right here. Can even hook it up to these cars maybe. We'll check it out. Let me get this camera on this tripod. Assuming the tripod will cooperate. Sometimes it doesn't. Alright, well it appears it did this time. So okay, I'm gonna set it right here. And excuse me for a moment while I get this on the track. Let's see. probably the easiest if I went ahead and put this guy around. So let me do that real quick. The challenge over here is not to step on anything. Let's see, I believe it's this controller. Alright. Cool deal. Alright. Let's see here. This little switcher off of here. This is definitely the dummy. The slider. Okay, so this has got slightly different couplers. This may not hook up to this. And if it doesn't, well, we'll just run it by itself. Here's, I don't think. Yeah, that's not going to connect to that. Alright. Change of plans. Not a huge deal. We're just going to have these super cool cars running behind it. Let's see here. Alright. Oops. Alright. So let's see, this is the power unit right here. It's the heavier. And then we'll just put it right here on the track. And hopefully it works. The sold is working, but it did have to travel a little ways to get here. So we'll see here in a minute. Alright, you ready for this? I'm ready for this. Alright. Well, it's not July 4th anymore, but it's still pretty patriotic. Alright, so that's backwards. Let's see. You can make it work on. It did go for a split moment. This track may not be the cleanest in the world. Oh, there it goes. Moving so slowly. I'm going to say this hasn't run in maybe a little while. Oh. We can get a little more speed out of it than that. Before you turn it up too much. There we go. Alright. That's just pretty cool. So next 4th of July, I'm kind of set. Because I don't have any car food over here. But, you know, if you got time to shop between now and then. Let's just put this up here so we can take full advantage of the view. Pretty nice, I think. Maybe we'll place it down here on the floor. And that way, might get a better view. Don't know. Well, not quite low enough, apparently. The tripod's a little odd. Almost got it. Let's see. There we go. This tripod don't get long sometimes. Right, well, that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can back it out a little. Well, I think that's pretty good. Alright, well, pretty pleased with this. I didn't pay a lot of money for this. Be patient, that's generally the case. You don't really need to spend just a ton of money to get into all this. Just be patient and likely find something that's in your price range. Alright, well, I'm really pleased with this. Alright, well, thank you for joining us for the unboxing of the GGS Railways. If you like the video, you might give us a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe to the channel. That's always a help. In any case, we hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, peace.